Hello friends, this is tutorial number 78 in these Java programming language tutorials. In this tutorial we will continue with our application. We already created our drones, and here is our drones. Each drone have his own parts, and we add them all in the list of drones, and the racing drones also we added in the separate list of racing drones. Of course we have our parts here, and each drone has his own parts, as you can see. And now we want to display all the drones. First we need to, in the main method, we need to load data. Okay, and we will need a method in front of first load here, finish load data method, and let's create a new method. Our method in this tutorial will be void, and let's start. Public static void, and we will simply type the name of the method will be show drones. Show the drones. Okay. This will be the easiest method. We will simply we have a list of drones dot for each and system dot out print line, but in front of this we can simply print system out print line the list of drones. Okay, and let's call this method show the drones. Okay, Control and S to save, and let's run. Okay, as you can see we have the list of drones. We have here classic drones A1, A2 and A3, and also we have the list of racing drone. But we can just let me see. Let's try to mix them. I will simply cut them here, and okay. Okay, let's mix them a little. Let's try. Okay, as you can see now we have first A1 classic drone, and we have A1 racing drone and A2 racing drone, and as you can see we have a drone A2 and A3. Okay, we have our list of drones, and now we want to find the fastest one. Okay, let us create a method public static void, and it will be the fastest drone. Okay, let us start. First, it will be only racing drones have acceleration, and we will looking for the fastest drone in the racing drones. Racing drone, we will call it fastest, equals to null. And the fastest drone we have acceleration from 0 to 100. We need a drone with minimum acceleration, with minimal seconds. and we will need, it means that we need a minimum integer, but in this case is float, minimum equals to 0f. Okay, now let's start. For it is a racing drone. We will call it RD from racing drones list, and we will need variable acceleration. It will be equal to RD dot get acceleration. Okay, and now it will be easy. We will have if, we need a if condition, if minimum equals to 0f. We will use f because we work with float. Minimum will be equal to acceleration, and fastest will be equal to RD. Okay, now we can use else if condition, but maybe it's better. We usually work now we need a else if condition, and if minimum is greater, instead of else if, we simply can try using or minimum is greater than price. Price, it's acceleration, sorry. Okay, and now we can after for each loop finish, it's here, we can write. But first let us write system out print line. We will need a couple of stars to separate this text, and we will write system out print line, the fastest drone is and it is plus fastest. Okay, and plus and we can write acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometer per hour is, and we will use plus, it's a minimum. Okay, that should be it, and let us Control Shift and F. Let's use Control and S, and let us run this application. Okay, we have, and of course we didn't call that method. We need to call the method the fastest drone. Control S, and let's run. And let me see, the fastest drone, but let me just fix this a little. Let me see first, is it working fine? And the fastest drone is okay, acceleration is 5.8, and this is really the fastest drone because acceleration has the minimum acceleration, and it means that this drone is the fastest. But it is too long. We need to fix to be more readable. First, we don't need space here. We will use n with slash. and also we can use n with slash here, slash and n. Okay, let me save this and let me run this to see. Okay, now it is better. The fastest drone is we can simply, just to be a little more readable, let me run again. Okay, the fastest drone is, and we have a drone, a model Turbo A2, parts of the drone, as we can see, each part, and acceleration. Okay, we see the acceleration, and acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is 5.8. Okay, this works perfectly fine, and now we will need to find the cheapest drone and the most expensive drone, but we will continue with that in the next tutorial. I really hope that you like my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have links in the video description, and I will see you shortly in the next tutorial.